I started off my career in animation, and I worked in the industry for a number of years. And at one point, when I saw the internet really maturing and I saw all the opportunities online, I started to realize that there was a bigger canvas there where I could display my work. So I felt that I could pivot to UX design and use some of my interaction design skills that I inherited from that industry to help me in my career in UX design. One of my first jobs in UX was working at a startup. And it was a really great opportunity because I had the chance to work through the whole UX pipeline, all the way from doing research, all the way to launching the product. So I had the opportunity to wear a lot of hats, and I got to work with a lot of different people outside of my UX field, like engineers and project managers and things like that. So it was a really great opportunity to try all these different things and also just to learn the craft of UX in a very deep way. And at that time, I was the only UX designer at the company, so I was also doing branding and marketing and iconography and basically everything you can think of under the sun. I came in knowing some of the skills that I needed, but I actually learned quite a bit on the job. Just from working and collaborating with other people, I learned the process along the way. The more websites or the more products that got shipped, is the more I learned about the process and the more I started feeling more comfortable. It was really exciting to see a product finally launch that we've been working on for so long. And it was also really rewarding to get feedback from users about what they thought of the product that I've designed. So I'm super excited about this certificate because of all the opportunities it's going to give people around the world. When I first got started in UX, there weren't a lot of opportunities available for resources to get started. So I feel that this certificate really will help everyone, regardless of what your background is, regardless of whether you have a background in UX design or visual design or anything. You can get started with this certificate and you can get a really great foundation and get the UX design job of your dreams. Hi, my name is Michael, and I'm a UX designer at Google.